Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from Domesticated Me. Today I have a very special unboxing. As you can tell from my title of the description, it's a very Merry Christmas PR unboxing video. All of these products are pretty much, I think pretty much all of these boxes are holiday related. But before I start opening up these things, please take a moment right now to subscribe and click that little bell icon so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. I make new videos every single week about beauty, fashion, home, travel, you name it, I cover it all. If PR unboxing videos aren't your thing, I totally get it. Take this opportunity right now to exit out and check out some of the videos that I have on my channel. Again, I cover everything from kid related to travel to beauty products, all of that. So I'm sure that you'll find something that you'll enjoy. All right, let's start unboxing. The first thing I'm gonna open up, I already opened it up on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, this is your opportunity to take out your phone and follow me. I'm at JESSICAYFLORES. All of my social media platforms are linked down in the description box below. And as with all my videos, I will link to everything that I can find a link for in the description box as well. So the first thing came from Amazon, and it says here, happy holiday streaming. And this is like one of the best PR boxes I've ever gotten, and I'm not showing you this obviously. I hope I don't have to say this with every video, but I don't show these to like show off. These brands send me something, and if I really like it, then I want to share it with you. It's also a thank you to them. They're not paying me to show this. Whenever I have a sponsored video, I always let you guys know. I try to be as honest and upfront and transparent as possible. But yes, they sent me this box, and there's some amazing products in it, and I'm really excited to show you. So I'll start with show you what it looks like. Again, I did show this. I unboxed it live on my Instagram channel, on my Instagram account, but I'll show you. Here's some streaming socks. It says Fire TV. And I guess I should show you this first. This is a Fire HD8 tablet from Amazon. I'm so excited to open this up. This comes with Alexa, so I can link it to my Alexa products here at home. I have some Amazon, I have several. I'm in the process of like creating a smart home, and I have smart bulbs in certain rooms, in my living room and in my bedroom. I hope to do that with not every single room, but I do want to do it for my office. I have a little Alexa Dot for my daughter, the kids version, which she loves. But yeah, so I'm excited to try this tablet out because our children own all our tablets. So it's nice to have one for me where I can listen to my audiobooks or actually read a book, read a magazine, listen to music, stream a show on Netflix or HBO. So very, very thankful for this. And then they sent me a case for it, which comes with a lot of other travel necessities. So this is gonna be really handy when I fly to New Orleans for the holidays. It has some cables to like every kind, like a Galaxy. I can charge. There's a regular USB, an iPhone charger, more cables. It comes with this external battery, which I love because I use up the batteries on all my devices so quickly, so it's nice to have this. They also gave me Bluetooth headphones, very nice. And again, it's just a really nice way to keep my electronics and my new Fire HD8. They also gifted me this Fire TV Stick 4K. This I'm really excited to take down to New Orleans because not all TVs are as up to date as they are in other places. And I know that in my mother-in-law's house this will come in handy because we have an older model TV, so we can put this stick into the HDMI import and start streaming our favorite shows, catch up on stuff that we are missing on Netflix. Ozark, hello, are you guys watching? We need to catch up on House of Cards, which is like one of our favorite shows we haven't been able to watch. We're gonna do a lot of streaming this holiday season for sure. They gave me some sugar cookies, which is really nice. They gave me an Amazon pen with a little postcard. It's a Wonderful Life, which is one of like my favorite holiday movies, a classic. They are now streaming this on Prime Video, so we'll definitely take an opportunity to watch that. A Sweet Streams little eye mask for when I'm taking a nap or I'm sleeping on the plane. And then this is something that I had been looking into, but I hadn't I wasn't ready to bite the bullet and purchase it, and I'm so excited for this. I am so excited for this. This is the Ring Video Doorbell 2, and it is what it implies. It's a doorbell with video capabilities that you can access through your phone. So if someone rings my bell, my phone will vibrate, and I will be able to not only see who's at the door, but actually speak to them through the app. It's amazing. It's a great security system in and of itself, because I'm able to see who's at my door if someone's leaving a package, if someone's, you know, just near the area, because it is motion. It has motion detection, so when there's someone like in front of the area, I'll be able to see. So love this. So excited to use this. Lancôme gifted me this amazing holiday gift set. This is the Straight Sparkle Glow Collection. It says here you can get it for $65 with any $35 Lancôme purchase, but it has a retail value for, wait for it, $422, because it is 10 full-size versions of all of their Lancôme favorites. 10 full-size versions of their favorites. Amazing. I'm dying to dig in. So it comes in this beautiful little travel case. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Beautiful. It's black and textured with gold toned hardware. Oh my gosh. Just like the quality is actually very, very good. Very, very good. Okay, so oh, look at that beautiful interior. Yeah, that's a gorgeous like plum color. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, everything is individually wrapped. Really nice. Let's see what's in here. So this is a Lancôme mascara. This is their Lancôme Definisals. I know I'm not pronouncing that right. And then this is their 181 Red Stiletto. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful color. That says Christmas to me. Oh my goodness, wow. Okay, so we have here an eyeliner in Black Ebony. This is Sil's Booster XL. So this is like a primer before you put on your mascara. And then another lipstick. This is 126 Natural Beauty, and it's a cream lipstick. Ooh, Advanced Genifique. I can't say that. But this is a youth activating smoothing eye cream. You know Lancôme is known for its skincare products. And again, this is one of their top 10 products, so you know that it's going to be really good. And then this is the Starlight Sparkle Eyeshadow Palette in Glow. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful eyeshadows. This is the Lancôme Genifique, Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate, and it's made for all skin types. This product I personally know and love. It is my favorite eyeshadow remover for when you have like really thick, like stay all day waterproof makeup on. This is Lancôme's Bifacial Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. It is just the best on the market. I know that you've seen this bottle before, and yes, it is that good. It is the best. I like ration it out. I only use it when I have like really crazy heavy makeup that I can't remove with any other makeup remover. That is when this comes in super handy. And then last but not least, this is the Starlight Sparkle Face Palette in Glow. Oh my gosh, these colors are so beautiful. The finish on these are fantastic. They all look like sparkly and glittery and perfect for the holidays. Love it. Moving on to Pixi Beauty, they sent me 2 packages. I'm gonna start with this one. This one says Pixi Glow. Oh my goodness, I love Pixi, and their holiday collection is always amazing. I love it. I know that one year I just took my Pixi holiday palette with me to New Orleans because that's all that I needed. So this is their Pixi Glow Cake. Oh my gosh, 3-in-1 Luminous Transition Powder. This is beautiful, and it's like ombre style because it's darker and then it gets lighter and lighter till it gets to the bottom. Beautiful. And this is the Pixi Glow Cake in Pink Champagne Glow, and it has that same ombre effect where it's darkest at the top and then goes down to very light. This is beautiful. These, they're both they're both gorgeous, but this one has that more darker, vibrant. I think this would look amazing on darker skin tones. I love it. And then they included a selfie light that you can clip onto your phone. Love, love, love that. Love that. And here is that second Pixi Beauty box. I'm so excited to open this up. They are the best at packaging. They really do go all out with their packaging. Imagine having this under your tree. I would love it. Okay. Woo! Oh my goodness! Yes! This, oh my god, this needs a moment. Okay, this is Pixi Skin Treats. This is Pixi's, oh my god, I have no words. It says here, treat your skin to our award-winning hashtag Glow Tonic, personalized just for you, XOXO Petra. All right, are you guys ready for this? Oh my gosh. As I mentioned, this is their Glow Tonic. It is one of their best-selling products. I use this pretty much every day as my like toner. I use it when I take off my makeup. I use it in the morning to clean and freshen up my skin. They included this tower of pads, and yeah, it is personalized. It says Jessica's Glow Tonic. I love that. Thank you so much, Pixi. I encourage everyone, and I talk to everyone about using this Glow Tonic. It really is really, really good, and again, affordable. You can pick it up at Target. I love it. And last but not least, I have something from Johnson's, the new Johnson's Choose, hashtag Choose Gentle. It says right here, so cute. So this might be the only thing that's not, you know, actually holiday inspired. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Hello from the Johnson's family. Enclosed, please find a custom set of building blocks for your little one to enjoy, one for each of the promises that Johnson is making to parents like you. So the promises are: use purposeful ingredients, never stop raising the bar, be open and honest, think like a parent first, and make the world a gentler place. We hope you enjoy our newest collection. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Guys, look at this box. I'm gonna try and not... How cute is that? I'm actually Clara's one, so she's starting to play with blocks. So I'm gonna go give this to her as soon as I finish filming this. So cute. So the products included here are Johnson's Baby Lotion. This is clinically proven for mildness, no parabens, phthalates, or dyes, nourishes baby skin for 24 hours. Then there is the classic Johnson's Baby Shampoo, no more tears, as gentle to the eyes as pure water. Then they sent me the Johnson's Head to Toe Wash and Shampoo, gently cleanses newborn's sensitive skin. And that was everything in this holiday edition of What's in My P.O. Box / Free Stuff YouTubers Get. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below if there's any products that are included here that you want like a dedicated video or tutorial or a demo on. Please let me know. If you have any comments, questions, requests, or just to say hi, I always love to hear from you guys. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned.